Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video, we're going to be addressing an issue with the neon, a headlight issue. So if Miss Katie would get in and flip them on, you would know there's going to be something wrong with the driver's side. And the problem is, the headlight does not illuminate. Only the high beams illuminate. So hopefully she has a replacement that's just as good. That bulb looks kind of bluish. We don't know if her replacement is kind of bluish or not. So let's get to it. We have one 8mm, two 8mm. World's longest bolt thing. And it's fixed.
That's what she says.
World's second longest bolt thing. Not fixed. Next time get one that's not broken, please and thank you, because it's going to do more damage than it's not. Well, that was a shit show, boys. Okay, so you're going to have to loosen that, and then hopefully I can pop this chrome bezel trim thing back on. Doesn't look like it will, but again, it's not my car, so that is what it is. Alright, so now, Buka, here we go. So, undo the lock ring. That goes back, and I'll pull the headlight out. Buka. And then, replace it. I'll let you know what it is in a second.
I think I put the ring on backwards on mine.
Alright, boys, 9007. Our headlight, so it's as easy as, because we didn't take the ring off, we left it on. All we have to do is just clip that back in, set the bulb in where it goes, and the ring goes back on. Alright, boys, now she's in, so it's going to be simple as trying to finagle this thing back where it was. It's probably easier said than done, but you know, we got it out. We should be able to get her back in. Giggity. Alright, boys, and there we have it. Headlight replaced. 9007 are the halogen bulbs you will need for your 2005 Dodge Neon headlight replacement. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.